So for breakfast I had this huge honey melon and I just ate it with the spoon. And I also had 1 glass of watermelon smoothie. And of course, my favorite of the day, 3 natural dates. And this was my breakfast. As you can see, it's a lot of food and it's delicious, hydrating, and so good. So I see you for lunch. For my lunch, I had a big, huge salad bowl, and this one is really delicious. I have green lettuce, sprouts, and then I have some raw cauliflower rings. And let me know if you want to have the recipe. They are super delicious. But I can tell you it's basically cauliflower dunked in a tomato kind of sauce and then dehydrated for some hours, and they are amazing. And then I have a soup, a raw vegan soup, a tomato, basil, papaya soup. So I'm going to use the soup to dunk my chunks in there and also the lettuce. And then I have more lettuce because you can never have enough, you know? So that's my huge bowl. So delicious. And also let me know if you want to have the recipe for the soup. And then going on to part 2 of my lunch, I have a bowl of mixed berries. I love berries, especially if they are in season now. And then I made a raw vegan cake. I don't know if you can see, but the base is a mix of dates, raisins, buckwheat and cinnamon. And then for the middle layer I have some yellow plums from the garden, freshly harvested just yesterday. So this is great. And then as a topping there are more crumbles from the crust. So again, dates, buckwheat, cinnamon and raisins, and also some date chunks. And this one smells like heaven. So yes, I'm going to eat this as a dessert as well as some apple slices, dehydrated. And I'm going to dunk my apple slices into almond butter. And this will provide me with enough calories as well as enough nutrients. And I'm perfectly fine and excited to dive in. Always excited to have lunch.